Hey everyone, welcome back to another speed test video. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Redmi Turbo 4 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max speed test. Redmi Turbo 4 Pro comes with world-first Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC with 12 GB of RAM and the phone running HyperOS 2 and Android 15. On the other hand, iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with Apple A17 Pro SoC with 8 GB of RAM and the phone running iOS 18. So let's start our speed test. So as you can see that iPhone 15 Pro Max open first, then open Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Both smartphone running same Wi-Fi and I am remove all the background app. So let's do some app opening and closing. As you can see that iPhone 15 Pro Max do slightly better compared to Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. Overall both smartphones perform pretty similar, but I think the speed test winner is iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let me know in the comment what you think. Okay, that's pretty much for our short speed test video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and I'll be catch you next one. Take care, Allah Hafiz.